Welcome to Bite-Size Data Science. In this video, we're talking about recommendation engines. We're all familiar with recommendation engines after using Netflix or Amazon. There is more to it than this, as we'll see shortly. Recommendation engines provide a more personalized experience to customers. This approach came to prominence with the Netflix challenge back in 2006. Netflix offered a $1 million prize for a solution that would beat their algorithm by 10%. The prize was finally awarded in 2009. If you want to learn more about the Netflix prize, please look at the link in the description. We know about recommendations for movies and products. Where else can it be applied? I believe there are two ways to look at recommendations. For example, we can recommend a product that is similar to the one we're looking at. It can be a product from a different manufacturer and products from different price ranges. Another way to look at recommendations is to find people with similar buying history and recommend a product they bought to other people that have similar profile but haven't yet bought it. When done right, this can be a win-win situation for the customer and the company. Because it is so targeted, the customer may be pleased with their recommendations and see it as an added value, and the company benefits with increased revenues. Product recommendation can be found in many industries. We can look at it from a business-to-business point of view, as well as from a business-to-customer point of view. In banking, for example, we can look at different types of accounts that can go from a simple checking account to an account that is tied to the line of credits and investment accounts. That could even open the door to additional services such as tax preparation and even all sorts of insurance. Recommending additional services to companies could help them be more efficient as their business grows, as will the banks. Here's another example. Marketing people do something called customer segmentation. They group customers and do more targeted marketing to offer products and services customers want. This way, it can be looked at as personalized offer instead of spam. Using recommendation engines can supercharge a customer segmentation into micro-segmentation that always adjusts to the customer needs and wants. These types of products recommendation fall into a category called cross-sell. If you like this, you may like that. A product is not necessarily a physical thing. Look at social media like Twitter, Facebook, YouTube, and so on. The users are the product. The more time a user spends online, the more advertising can be played, increasing the company's revenue. How do you think items find their way to your feeds? They reinforce the type of things the users have been doing to keep them engaged. Take a look at the link in the description on the Social Dilemma movie to see that it's not always for the best. Another example is a site like Spotify. They want to understand your choice of music so they can suggest new music you may like. What's in it for them? They can get you to come back. If you use a free version, they make money through ads, and if you subscribe, they keep you from month to month. Finally, look at dating sites. They are all about collecting information so they can recommend matches. In that case, it is more a measure of similarities where an algorithm like nearest neighbor could be useful. Recommendation engines can be applied to many situations. Think creatively and you may find a novel way to use them. In the next video, we look into an implementation that falls into the collaborative filtering group. It is called alternating least square. One great benefit of this type of algorithm is that it falls into the unsupervised category of algorithms. See you next time on Bite-Size Data Science, and don't forget to subscribe.